Hey guys, welcome back to Cheats Cheats, where every week I'm going to bring you the latest workout routine filled with some tips, tricks, and hacks to help you hit your fitness goals. And so if you like what you see here guys, remember to smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you won't miss my next video. Tonight's focus, we're going to be working on our back. And we're going to be doing dumbbell rows, and we're going to be using the pronated grip. So what do I mean by pronated grip? So all that means is that my palm is going to be facing me versus the standard neutral grip that most people use. So the difference between the two, between the neutral grip and the pronated grip, is the neutral grip is going to use a little bit more help from the bicep, but I don't want to do that. I want to focus more of the pull for my lat, my rhomboids, and my traps. So I'm going to pronate the grip to face my palm towards me. All right, and we're going to remember to keep our back straight and pull. Down and pull. Nice and easy, guys. We don't do this fast. We go nice and slow. 2 more for good measure, so you guys see. All right. Next, we're moving on to one of my favorite exercises, the straight arm pull down. So a lot of people like to grip on the bar. I prefer to grip at the end of the bar and have a neutral grip. So from here, we're going to bend about 30 degrees forward, and we're going to pull straight down. You're going to try to pull as far down to your legs as possible, so this way you can feel maximum contraction in your lats. And for those of you who are a little bit more advanced and want to challenge, you're going to add a twist at the end. And what this does is it's going to hit the opposite oblique. So you're kind of getting an oblique crunch at the same time that you're doing your straight arm pull downs. All right, guys. Last but not least, since I'm doing a body weight exercise, I'm going to be doing dips assisted by the machine. Purpose of doing the assisted is this way I can burn out my lats. So all the way down and up. Down and up. Very important to breathe, guys, so this way you don't burn out too fast or run out of breath too fast. 2 more for good measure. And there you have it, guys. A complete back workout to hit your upper back, your traps, your rhomboids, and your lats. So remember, every week here on Cheats Cheats, I'm going to bring you brand new workout routines filled with some tips, tricks, and hacks to help you get that dream body that you want. So remember to smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and if you learned something from this video, smash that like button. Let's put in the hard work at the gym, and I'll see you all at the finish line.